Hi viewers, good morning. How are you all? So welcome to the lesson number 9 of easy learning in Hindi and Marathi. Today I will show you all some objects that words which you will be familiar with. For example, this is the chair. This is chair. In Hindi we say kursi. In Marathi we say khurchi. Okay, and this is the table. This is the table. So in table we say in Hindi we say mej. In Hindi we say the table as mej, and in Marathi we can say table also. Nowadays people use English and Hindi words, so it is the same table for Hindi and Marathi. Next we go to darwaja. So this is the darwaja. So darwaja means in English we say door, darwaja, and in Hindi also, in Hindi and Marathi it is the same word darwaja. Then you can see window. So window we say khidki in Hindi and also khidki in Marathi. Next, see what you all can see is the bed. What you say bed? In Hindi you say bistar, and in Marathi you say palang. So you can see small plant also. Down below you can see small plant. So what we say? In Hindi we say paudha. In Marathi you say vanaspati, or some will use paudha word only. Similarly for trees, you can see lot of trees also, big trees. So big trees can also be viewed from this side. So in Hindi what you say for trees? In Hindi you say ped, and in Marathi you say jhad. So if you can see birds flying in the sky, for birds what you say? Chidiya in Hindi, and in Marathi you say pakshi. Similarly the word sky. Sky what do you say? You can say in Hindi asman, or in Marathi you can say akash. Similarly there is sunlight. For sunlight what do you say? In Hindi you say suraj ki roshni, and in Marathi you say surya prakash. Similarly you can see the rooms. What do you say for rooms? You say kamra in Hindi, and in Marathi you say kholi, or if you want to tell in plural, in Hindi you say kamre. In Marathi also you can tell kholya or kholi. Singular means kholi. Okay. And scenery. What a beautiful scenery. In Hindi you say for scenery prakritik drushya. Prakritik drushya. In Marathi you say dekhava. In Marathi you say dekhava. Okay. So this beautiful place is in Khajuraho. So it is a very beautiful place, very cool. The climate is around, temperature is around 20. So in the morning it is still less. So wishing you all a beautiful day. So take care. Bye.